Today I'll show you how to prepare a Mark 4 carbon fiber frame for a 7-inch build. Let's quickly go over the parts. This is the upper plate of the frame with a rubber cutout sticker already applied on top. Here are 4 soft pads to protect the drone when it lands. We also have 2 camera holders which we'll need later. 2 reinforcement plates for the frame that will be placed on each end of the bottom plate. Next we have the short and long frame supports, 4 of each. There are 2 arm holders of the same shape. Here is the bottom plate. We have 4 arms, each with the same shape, and 4 sets of screws in different sizes, short, medium and long with mushroom heads, as well as a set of flathead screws. We'll also need a screwdriver with a H2.0 hex bit. Let's start by attaching the front reinforcement plate to the bottom plate. Tighten them together using 2 flathead screws and 2 short frame supports, like this. Ensure the screws sit nice and flush with the surface of the plate. Now let's do the same for the rear end of the plate. Tighten the plates together with the flathead screws and short supports. Next we'll attach the first pair of arms. Use 2 medium mushroom head screws in the inner holes and 2 shorter screws in the outer holes. Place the arm holder on top and tighten it with the outer screws. It should look like this. Then thread and tighten 2 short supports into the inner screws. Repeat the same process for the second pair of arms. The medium screws go into the inner holes and the arm holder sits on top. Tighten it with the short screws. Like this. Then thread and tighten the 2 other short supports into the inner screws. The final step is to insert and tighten the 4 long screws. And here is what the frame should look like before mounting the flight controller, motors and everything else. In the video description you'll find shopping links for the parts and tools I used. Thanks for watching.